Jungle.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do so now, and be sure to stay tuned for all future videos, especially on Free It Fridays, where I release a cast of either exotics, a Mustang, or something that I have a duplicate of. I release them on Fridays for you guys. That way you can see them in depth and of course out of the packaging. But today we're doing a Matchbox version of the S550. This is the 2019 Mustang Coupe in that almost close to a dark Highland green with the bronze wheels, which I think is a solid choice. This color is real close to how the 2001 Bullet came in, and of course the original 68 Bullet that was in the movie Bullet. This is one of 6 Mustang casts that came out in this series. You got the 19 Coupe, which is this one. Then you got the 18 convertible. You got the 93 Fox body, the notchback version, which I really like. I wish Hot Wheels came out with the notchback instead of the hatchback, but that one's a cool piece. Then you got the apocalyptic version of the 68 with the big off-road tires, skull and crossbones on the hood. You got the classic 68 GT California Special, and then finishing off with the 65 Fastback. I do have them all. I just don't have duplicates of all of them. So let's get this bad boy open. Didn't work out as planned. Come on. Feel the fresh air. Alright guys, look at that. Up close you can see the nice metallic flake. It's real fine. It's not overbearing in metallic flake. It's real subtle, but at the same time when light hits it you could definitely see the metallic flake. I do love these wheels. They're actually detailed in depth to where they look like realistic wheels. Like the spokes are cut out real deep. You see the detail work on the side tire wall, which gives it a real rider look without being real riders. And then of course you come into the back. You can't mistake that detail work in the nice painted tail lights on that deck lid, the GT badge on the trunk lid, real nice. Even the headlights are done really good. You can see the LED gills inside the headlight right there, the turn signal, a little bit of the projector. There you go, you can see the projector a lot more. And the honeycomb grill is detailed nicely with the horse, the running horse inside there. I think Matchbox did really well. They even put the clear turn signals in there. It does have a charcoal interior with a slightly smoked glass. It is a charcoal base, all plastic of course, but this thing is just nice. And just to give you guys a comparison of how different Matchbox S550 is versus Hot Wheels. So this is the 15 Hot Wheels Borla edition. Look at the detail difference. Look at that. Let's put these side by side. The running horse on this one looks okay. You can tell it's the running horse. The honeycomb's a lot better. This one's more of just a crosshatch design. This one stays true to the actual grill. Of course, Hot Wheels doesn't do any tampo work on these. Even on the rear, it's just plain. So when you compare the two, if you're looking at overall quality and design, I would definitely pick the Matchbox Mustangs over the Hot Wheels, except for that Joey Logano one I did last Friday. That one is a beautiful cast. This cast overall in general is just a very nice, well put together cast. Now of course, I don't believe these are built for the track like Hot Wheels, but it does have the cool little elephant for Thailand, which I think is pretty neat. I don't ever believe that Hot Wheels does anything like that for theirs. Nope, theirs is Malaysia. Even the running horse on the license plate looks good. How they are able to get the detail correct on these taillights. So the 2018s and up have more of the C-shaped taillights of the tri-bars. They're C-shaped instead of the vertical straight up and down. You can see the difference between the years right there. And then of course the heat extractors on this hood versus the heat extractors that are on this one. Let me know which one down below is your favorite out of the two, but I'm gonna definitely choose the Matchbox. This is definitely a solid cast. And I hate to put this with my other ones because the detail work on this is so good, it's gonna make them all look so generic like this. This looks so generic. So yeah guys, that is this 19 S550 Coupe up close and personal, out of the box, freeing it out of its case. We're gonna do this every Friday. That way you guys can see these casts outside. In case you're like me, you like to keep a lot of them in the blisters. I'll let you live vicariously through me. Which is your favorite brand to buy? Is it Matchbox or is it Hot Wheels? And if it's Matchbox, did this video just sway you? Let me know down below what you think. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It's greatly appreciated. Definitely keeps me motivated to push video out to you guys. I definitely appreciate all the support, all the subscribers, and all the comments I get on all my uploads. It's definitely very, very fun to open these up for you guys. If it wasn't for that, I wouldn't be opening these up. They would stay in all the cases like normal, but everyone likes to free them and play with them and customize them. And I say, hey, if you got doubles, release it. If you got singles, keep them in the case. And until next time, guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.